Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigrations. Today I will talk about some details about nanny. CPR and first aid. Both experts agree that CPR and first aid certifications are the most important, very most important certifications a nanny can earn. Many families won't even consider a nanny who doesn't have this training. If you plan on caring for young children, it's also a good idea to take specific classes on infant CPR. Certification. Certifications are only valid for about 2 years. So take these classes at regular intervals to keep your skills current. Number two, water safety certification. If you are working for a family who enjoys the ocean and beach or has a swimming pool, you should invest in a course on lifeguarding. These certifications can be obtained through lessons at a local pool. Number three, infant care classes and certifications. Caring for infants comes with its own challenges and joys. Newborns require specialized knowledge, and taking a class through a local hospital. If I talk about parenting center, if I talk about community college, will ensure you know how to care for your youngest charges, especially if you have had limited experience in this area. Number four, nanny basic skills assessment. The INA offers its nanny basic skills assessment, which can give a family peace of mind when interviewing nannies who have passed it. It was developed to provide a credential to those nannies who did not have a degree in a child related field, or to those nannies who wanted to add a nanny specific credential to their portfolio. It tests your knowledge of childcare, including topics like health, like safety, like nutrition, professionalism, and child development. And if you pass, you get a certificate to confirm your expertise. Number five, professional nanny certification. Professional nanny certification, although it's not required to become a nanny, you can also become a certified professional uh, certified professional nanny through nanny schools. These courses are particularly good if you are just starting out and need some experience. Number six, driver's license. Having a valid driver's license and a clean driving record will afford you the opportunity to do double duty, which can mean higher pay. You can run errands for the family while caring for the kids, or open a whole new world of parks, museums, and zoos to visit. If you don't have a license, stop by your local DMV to obtain one, or get information. Get information on drivers education classes you can take to prepare for the exam. If you already have a license, sign up for a defensive driving course. This course will improve your driving and help you avoid accidents on the road. Number seven, nutrition and cooking course. Any knowledge of nutrition or cooking will make you a more valuable candidate to parents. They want to know that you can keep their kids well fed and teach them how to eat healthfully. You know, nutrition and cooking classes. Nutrition and cooking classes are available at local community colleges, culinary schools, or even at health food stores. You can even become a kids nutrition specialist through a certification. Number 8, fitness education. Along with nutrition comes fitness. Parents like knowing that you can help kids stay active and healthy. You can become a certified children's fitness specialist. Number 9, foreign language skills. Foreign language skills. Parents often want bilingual nannies who can help teach kids another language. You know, it's one of the most sought after nanny skills. Families want their children exposed to a different language and culture at a young age. If you speak a language in addition to English, mention it in your profile. If you need to brush up, take some language course through nearby community colleges, adult education programs, or online programs. And number 10, early childhood education. Learning more about children's development and needs will help you understand your charges and make you a better nanny. If a caregiver doesn't have a solid understanding of child development, she should get a basic certification that covers all aspects of working with children. Nannies are also able to take those programs. Many community colleges also offer basic child care education certifications. Number 11, special needs care. If your charge is a special needs child, a course preparing you for the role of caregiver is important. There is a lot of need specific medical information to the aware of and general advice on caring for a child with special needs. So look for programs and workshops through local colleges and special needs organizations. Is it? So thank you so much. Be happy. Take care. And if you have any query regarding this video, you can share your query in the comment section. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. And you can also share your profile on my WhatsApp number 99146 15605. I will tell you what is better for you, which course is better for you, which college is better for you, which university is better for you, and what is better for you. Thank you so much. Be happy.